Hi! In front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on this gray sweater next to it to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions from your screen. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, swipe up or click on this dark area at the top. Lastly, to disable it completely, select the same no blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!